going on, dude? Took you long enough to get here.
Yes. Wonderful. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. That's good crap. Ready? What do the buttons do?
Find out.
Find out.
I'm afraid to.
Hit the buttons. Hit the buttons.
I'm afraid to.
I've hit the buttons. You'll be fine. You won't blow up.
Neither will I, Miles.
Wow, y'all stole the symbol from Nickelodeon.
I wasn't here.
No, neither was I. But go ahead. Hit the buttons.
I'm afraid to.
Come on, chicken.
Seriously. What do you think's gonna happen? You gonna blow up?
I'll go get some coffee.